Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up SmartSuite Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, click on App Marketplace, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartSuite video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. Under the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup. Then you head over to your account online, click on your profile, click on My Profile, scroll down, you're going to click on API Key, click on Generate New Key. There we go, our token has been generated. So you're going to copy your token, head over back to your account, paste your token, head over back to your account online. You're going to copy your account ID on your navigator. Copy, head over back to your account and paste your account ID. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.